Here's the app called DOKICHAT, romantic AI chat. So here you have it. It's a role-play AI chat app with high-quality smart AI characters. Create unique characters or explore user-made content for endless engaging conversations. Welcome to DOKICHAT, where you can chat with high-quality AI characters and dive into role-play experiences. Charming characters, smart AI chat, free create, unlimited role-playing. So, it seems this is another AI chatting app where you can just use it. A lot of it is in Hindi or some other languages, so you can just go and chat in here. So like you can just go and start to chat, and then you can just message. There are all of these options like inners, photo, favorites, chat history, phone, and then you can see chat settings, personas. And then there are also all these upgrade plans which you can try. So there's DokiChat Ultra, annually $130, monthly $20. In here, if you want, you can upgrade. And then there is your account, and then you can see you can get some rewards. So yeah, you can invite friends to get more hearts. So you can just, as you can see, I already got like almost 5,000 hearts for invitations. So that's, as you can see, a lot of people using DokiChat invite code. So that's the idea. Yeah, so now you can have it. Then that's basically the idea, how you can use it. Then you can just also add posts. You can create your own character. You can chat. And that's where you have it. So something like that. So you can see, so that's the idea. And yeah, so something like that. So feel free to explore it.